Hi guys, and welcome back again on my channel. How are you guys doing today? It's been a while. I haven't filmed in like 3 weeks because I have been very busy. So yes, today's video is actually a very important one. I have been meaning to upload it for like weeks now, but no time to sit down and film. And this is why I am here with you guys today. So this is it. If you have bleached your skin before, if you've used a product that has made your skin go bad, you might have experienced some, even if you have not used a product that has made your skin go bad. Has anyone here ever experienced you using a product and everyone around you is swearing by how good this product is, but your skin seems not to be getting it? It's almost like you're rubbing it at the back of your skin because you're not seeing anything. And then you hear something like go for a skin peeling or go for a proper skin exfoliation and stuff like that. So today's video, I am going to be talking about a shower gel that contains the goodies of chemical exfoliants to help you with whatever it is your skin is going through, and as well help you with an healthy skin, because I think this is very needed. In my past videos as well, I have talked about some chemical exfoliant body lotions like Amlatin. I have talked about Alpha Skincare that has serum, it has body lotion, and it has a shower gel as well. And the shower gel is very expensive, but this is a good option for it, and this is the reason why this video has to be made. So this is the Vit Gold amino acid and glycolic acid shower gel. You can see how big it is. If the picture is not doing justice to it, I want you to know that it is 1000 ml. It contains amino acid and it contains glycolic acid. About a few weeks ago as well, I talked about their other shower gel that is very great and will make your skin look good and very glowy. But this particular one is for people who have tough skin. If you know you have been using products and product is not working on your skin, it's almost like you're rubbing it at the back of your skin, this is something that I want you to give a try. I'm going to tell you how you use it and other things that you can combine with it, so do not go anywhere. So if you know that product don't work on your skin, or if you know you've damaged your skin so well that you don't even know what's going on, you're just tired of different colors on different areas of your body, and you want something that will actually put your skin or bring out new cells fast and just make everything you're using penetrate into your skin, because this is another benefit of using this particular body wash. It is going to help you open those pores and allow other products that you're using on your skin penetrate so well into your skin. So the amino acid and glycolic acid is a win-win for your skin. So if you know that you have damaged skin, yes, please go and get it. Even though online I'm seeing it for 7,000 naira, and get it at a walk-in store, you should not be spending more than 5,000 naira to 6,000 naira. Yes. This product as well contains an SPF of 30, but that does not mean it is enough for your skin. I wouldn't advise anyone buying it to use it at night. You know, when you have rugged the entire day, you know, you've worked in the markets in the sun, you've stressed yourself during the day, when you get home at night, you can have a shower with this, because when you get home at night, you're not going to expose yourself in the sun for the next like 8 to 10 hours. Your skin is going to relax, and when you sleep, your skin is going to relax and, you know, repair itself. So this is the time that you should use this shower gel. Use it at night. Even though I know the SPF on it might make some people think you can use it in the morning. Yes, you can use it in the morning, but it's not safe. If you use it in the morning and you're just doing frolicking around in the sun, just doing whatever it is you like, your skin might get darker. So if you know that you want to use it, I'll advise you to use it at night, and please go in with a good body oil. There's a video coming up about body oils that have less than 5,000 naira that you can get in the market, and which one of it is this one as well. I actually got this one for 900 naira, shockingly, because I have been seeing it online for about, I think, 2,000 naira, 2005. This is the price range of this product on Instagram, so you can have an idea of how they had prices to products on online/offline store. So I'll advise, if you don't have so much money to buy skincare products, look for people around you that sells. If you don't know how to search on Instagram for vendors in your location, you can just put skincare Lagos, skincare Ibadan. It will bring out some brands that are located in that area for you. So this is a way for you to search. So even if you go to one person and you cannot get it, you can ask, do you know any other person that sells you that I can buy from? Do you understand? So this, I actually got it for 900 naira, and it's very great. It penetrates into the skin very well. So one thing that this wash does is that it is going to remove all the excess oil and dirt on your skin. It's going to open up your pores, so all the product that you're using that has not been working on your skin is going to work. There was a time I was talking to you guys about, if you know product does not work on your skin as well, you can use peeling soap. These are the soap that, you know, excessively shed off dead skin on your skin very fast to allow other product to work. If you know you don't want to use that, you can settle for this. body wash. It is a very good option. If you've ever bleached your skin or you're suffering from a damaged skin, even if you see a dermatologist, along the line they will want you to, they want you to add chemical exfoliant products into your routine. They are not for the face alone. You guys already know how great chemical exfoliants work well on the skin. If you use it very, very well and you know how to use it, you'll notice that there's a way you will notice people's skin style appearing healthy. This is what happens as well when you use chemical exfoliants on your skin. So I really want you to look into using chemical exfoliants on your skin, because it is about to be a game changer for you. The weather is very, very hot. Please avoid just using it in the morning, especially sensitive skin people. Please be very, very careful, just because stuff like this will increase your skin sensitivity, in turn might burn your skin and make you go very dark. So this is the reason why I'm advising it for night, for those of you who will be asking questions. And it doesn't mean that it is only oil that you can use afterwards. You can use your lotion and you can still use your oil as well. Just make sure that you have something that moisturize your skin. This is just to help you lock in moisture and get the best benefit. Like oil, it doesn't have to be this one. I'm just showing you the one that I have with me right now. So oil is just meant to help you now lock in that moisture so that you get the best benefit of this product. Signs of aging, any type of cellulite on your body, once you start putting in effort using chemical exfoliant on your entire body, you're going to see a great difference. Another thing is, it is not going to cause you to have knuckles. If you remember, there was a time I told you how to mix a scrub where part of the ingredients I told you I added glycolic acid. Glycolic acid has been one of those chemical exfoliants that has significantly changed the game for me. I even ordered the ordinary glycolic acid today, and I was shocked to see that it has increased with 3,000 naira. It is now being sold for 13,000 naira. Some people are even pricing it. Some people are even putting the price on Instagram for 15,000 naira. This was the product I was once buying 7,000 naira. This is how crazy inflation is. This is how crazy Nigeria is becoming. I don't know if it is all over the world, but yes, chemical exfoliant will change the game of your skin. And please don't sleep on chemical exfoliants. And it does not have to be your face alone. You can always use chemical exfoliant on your body. After shaving as well, if you know you suffer from all these bumps whenever you shave, you can always get the shower gel and use it maybe a day after or 2 days after you shave. It is going to stop those bumps or those strawberry things from appearing on your body. Overall, your skin is going to look healthy. You will be glowing. That is very, very sure. I'm about 90% sure that you're not going to regret getting this product. And again, it's going to last you for so long. It is 1,000 ml. It will last, and the price range is very, very sweet as well. Let me know if you have tried this product before in the comment section. If you have, let us know. Let us in into how it works for you and how you like it. And one thing I forgot to mention is, please don't use it on your face. Don't use it on your face. Get other product for your face. Please do not use it on your face. So use it on your body. It's a shower gel for your body. Please just use it on your body alone, because this is another question that I'm about to get. That's why I'm answering it and just saying it that way. Thank you all so much for joining. Please subscribe before you go and turn your bell notification on, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.